finally arrived in Jeju. We're gonna get a shuttle bus and go to the car rental and have a good time in Korea. That's what it's about. Let's go. It's very cold, but it's nice. Vacation mood. Nothing feels better than that. And I go to the car rental now, and then find food. You know, when you're in Jeju, the first thing you have to do is find a barbecue with the black pork. There's nothing more suitable for this weather. With some soju or something. Alright, so I got the shuttle now. Last time we came here it was raining. This time it's cold but not raining, so the weather is better. And we're here, it's more earlier, so we have more time and can see what's going on. Last time we reached here it was very dark. It was our first time coming in, so we didn't know what was going on. And one thing for sure, in Jeju, you can't really drive fast like that because there's always like a speed limit and those sleeping police, so you always have to be on the safe side. This is what? Jeju Premium Soju. Zero sugar. Let's see what's going on with this one. Yep. That is it. This is some Korean style cabbage soup. Oh, nice. Pork is ready. First, vegetable, pork, kimchi. Where's the porridge? Oh, right here. Porridge. Wrap it up. Shove it in your mouth. Not like experience, I like. Barbecue is nice. Staff is friendly. Everything is good. And we're full of food and so we're gonna head to the Airbnb now. It's very cold outside. We checked into the B&B, got a shower, come back out, you know, gotta get something for the night. I don't want these, I want Korean alcohol. Where is it? Korean alcohol, show yourself to me. Appear! No, this is what I'm talking about. What is this? I don't read Korean, I don't speak Korean, but I know something is here. Oh, this is Magali. Yes, sir. Kinda biggie, man. Enjoy what I can see from here. This is where we're having lunch today. Some abalone kangi. Add some kimchi on top of that. One extra abalone. So good. It's right. So good. Got some abalone, some pumpkin. This is some roast mackerel. Some roast mackerel. What's this? Yeah, so we had this one right here, this, and this. We didn't follow this instruction. We just ate the food as it came. But it was good. No complaints.
이거 찍어 이거.
It's so good. How much is this one?
10,000. 최고예요. 꿀로 만든 거여서. 이거 2만 원짜리가 12,000원 오늘까지. 괜찮아요? 우리말 잘하시네. 한국말 잘하시네.
Hold the bread. Oh, one of the bread. Take out one. Hold it. Give it to me. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye. Afternoon coffee shop stop. Sea breeze is very strong. See which coffee shop it is. Yes, this one it is. Let me check. Wow. Look at the steam coming out of those buns. They're like steam bun or something. It's like some potato. Korean pancake. Side dishes. Yeah, this is some good food. Ginseng. Chicken stuffed with rice and herbs and stuff. It's about 11 p.m. now in Jeju. I'm gonna walk to a local bar I saw up the road and check out what's going on, have a drink. This is the bar. Oh, it actually looks nice outside. Black one, so I'm gonna be trying this. This is what, like originally from Jeju? Not Jeju. Not Jeju. Yeah. But Korea. Yeah. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'll take the black one.
소주 한라산.
Where?
Do you know 소주?
Yeah.
이거 판매하는 게 아닌데. 뭐가 다른가?
Matsuri. Oh, okay, okay. Give me this one then. Okay.
For honor.
I'm gonna be trying this premium Korean soju, distilled spirit with 700 years of tradition. Mm.
You're traveling by yourself?
Getting back to the Airbnb now. Was a nice experience. I made some friends tonight, so if I'm coming back here again, I know, yeah, I can reach out to them for some recommendations. It's not that cold tonight. The sea is not rough either. Yes, last night the sea was very rough. It was very cold, very windy. I was like, whoa. Get some sleep now, wake up in the morning and hit the road again. Have drink in your bag.
아까 누구니? 아까 외국인 언니. 아 여기가 세 개야?
Oh, the roll and put them in a cup. Oh, that's good. You can give it to me. Thank you. Bought my ticket, 2,000 Korean dollars. Down, down, down. Need to check ticket. Check my ticket, thank you. And then down I go. Oh, you can actually go there and sit and have a meal. That's nice. Sitting by the beach side. Yes, these are the restrictions and the cautions. The famous spot. Time to head back up now. Alright. Let's get some lunch, some bellfish. Windsor.
不要，我要煮。
And I have to put food. See? It's right.
This is 辣炖青鱼。It's the
Right, down.
컵밥도 있고 컵밥도 있고. 네, 기본으로 컵밥 2개가 나와요. 그럼 컵밥 스페셜인데 컵밥 한번 추가해요.
That's how you get the bell fish prepared in Jeju, like professional. Thank you. Alright, time to eat. Camellia Hill. Okay. Let's get working. See what's going on. Thank you.
What?
We cannot bring them back home.
Summer shit.
It's cool, right? You wanna take a walk? Alright. These trees in the house. Actually, a lot of stuff to see here. Let's see. This looks like this is for men. Yeah, this is for men. Face lotion, trouble care refresh. This is good. Trouble toner. This is good. Eat for myself. Of course, I have to take care of myself as well. I think I'll take this one. Which is very nice. I guess this is where we'll be watching the sunset from. It's a nice coffee shop. Actually a beautiful scenery. sun is down. Time to go for dinner. Tonight is our last dinner in Jeju for this trip. So we're gonna repeat it again. Some black pork barbecue. That's one thing you have to try. Like the pork in Jeju is just different from everywhere else. Just out of this world. Can't get enough.
Funny thing is, the first day when we passed by, he was like, "Are you gonna eat this one of the night?"
Abalongs are chicken and sterling wild cooking. Nice, very cozy B&B stay. A nice view. Wake up in the morning, looking straight at the sea. Yeah, actually very nice car to drive, very comfortable. Morning. E-car, of course, very convenient when you're in Jeju. Unlock. Hold this for a while, windows down. This seems like a very relatively new car, because when we got it has like 4,000 something mileage on it. Morning. Heated seat, heated steering wheel and assistant driving and all that. Very nice. I'd say I give it 7 out of 10 on the rating scale. Charging port is in the front of this one. Right there, see we have 2 bars left. The tree will be full. This can take us back to the car rental. Another feature I like about this car is like most things are vice versa. For instance, when I hold the key for a moment to open the car, all windows go down. When I hold it back for a short period of time, all the windows will go back up, which is convenient. Modernized technology. So our car is off back on this hotel to the airport. So we have reached the airport.